The first time she's going in a pool. She's like, I'll do what I want. Look at you in a big old pool. You got your swim diaper on, you got everything. You're sporting everything but your shades because you're like, Dad, I want to wear this hat instead. I do what I want, Dad. I do what I want. What? What? She's like, ooh. That's crazy. You having fun? First time ever in a pool in Florida? You already went to the beach, now you're in the pool. What? She's just like, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna stand here and be cool. I'm gonna be cool about it. That's what I do. I'm Princess Amelia and I'm super cool. Look at me, Dad. Look at